So, hello and welcome everybody. So, this is the first page of our feedback hub, which is an internal feedback system to manage the feedback between the manager and the employees. So, as you can see, we have an username and a password field, and then the login button. And here we have shown certain demo accounts which we can use to show the demo. So, we have a manager, an employee, and another employee, and which is showing their username and the password. So I'll be first logging in to the manager account. So John underscore manager, and I'll be entering the password manager 123 and click the login button. So now we have logged in into the manager's dashboard, manager's login, and we can see the John underscore manager, the username and the designation which is shown as manager, and here we have a login button. So here in the dashboard we can see there are two team members and totally two feedbacks, and for which one is a positive feedback and there are two pending acknowledgements. So here we can see the feedback history, and we have given the feedback to employee Alice and another feedback to employee Bob. So in this feedback we can see there are strengths, excellent communication skills and proactive approach, and areas to improve could include the time management, and these are certain tags such as communication and proactivity, and the feedback given here is positive, and there is also an option to edit it. And then we have another feedback given to Bob employee where the strengths are strong technical skills and attention to detail, and the areas to improve work on collaboration with team, and it has given the tags as technical and collaboration, and overall this is a neutral feedback. Now here we are given an option to add another new feedback, so I click this option, and here we get this pop-up, and here we select an employee name such as Alice employee, and then strengths we can give as positive mindset, areas to improve, better work workload balance. So this is the feedback, and I can add a sentiment such as, let's say, positive, and then tags I can put as, let's say, as communication, and then let's save this feedback. So as we can see, the feedback which we just entered now has been added into the dashboard, and the time is being displayed here, and it shows positive and the strengths and areas to improve as we entered. So now let me log out of this, and now let's log in to the employee account. Let's go to the Alice underscore PNP, password 221123, and let's log in. So now we have logged into the employee account, and we can see the destination and the username here, and then we can see total two feedbacks received, two positive feedback and two unacknowledged. So now let's acknowledge the feedback which we recently gave from the manager account. Click on acknowledge, and I say thank you. You can acknowledge this, and now this is shown acknowledged and is shown the comment thank you. And this is the previous feedback which is already there. Let's acknowledge this as well, and let's say I give okay, and then acknowledge it. So now we can see this is also being acknowledged, and it shows now 0 unacknowledged. So, and this is the feedback history of the employee, and the employee gets the feedback only from the manager, and he can see only his feedback. So now let's log out from this, and let's go to the second employee's account. Say Bob underscore PNP 123 123. Let's go to login, and okay, here we can see one totally feedback received is 1, and that's unacknowledged. And so this is again from the manager and works on the same principles again, and let's acknowledge this, and let's give a comment, let's say got it, and let's acknowledge it, and it has been acknowledged, and there was only one feedback over here, and it's acknowledged Now let's log out from this, and let me log in back again to the manager's account. Alright, so we are now logged into the manager's account, and now we can see that the pending acknowledgements have become 0. So we just acknowledged from Alice employee, and we can see that has been acknowledged by Alice employee, reflecting in the manager's account, and the comment as well saying thank you, and this as well has been Alice employee has been acknowledged, and comment has been said as okay, and this is for the Bob employee, that well has been acknowledged by Bob employee, and comment has been can be seen as got it. So this is how the internal feedback system is working for the managers and the employees. So this is all.